and welcome to the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. One of my favorite things to enjoy when I'm sitting around a campfire is a good hot cup of coffee. There's a lot of ways to make camp coffee, and one of my most used ways is to simply make cowboy coffee, which is where you boil water in some type of a container, you throw your coffee grinds in and just let it brew, and then you drink it. A lot of people will take cold water and shock that, just pour a little cold water down into that cowboy coffee and it'll settle the grinds to the bottom of the container. Sometimes I do that, and sometimes I don't even do that. Sometimes I'll just drink it and the grinds don't even bother me. So I'm not a coffee snob where it comes to that. I can drink coffee just about any which way. However, I recently picked up a little gadget, so to speak, here that I've been really impressed with and has served me well thus far, and this is an Espro French press. It's basically a metal bottle with a little press device in it that filters the grinds out of your coffee. And this is a really neat device, and it does give me every time a perfect cup of coffee. There's some times where it's just not conducive to have a pot over the fire or have to make fire altogether. There's other ways of making coffee when you're in a hurry. So this is one of those methods. Whenever I carry an item like this in my pack, I always want to determine that it's multifunctional, that something of this size in my pack can do more for me than just make coffee. If you think about it, this is a metal bottle, and although it's a double-walled metal bottle, so it wouldn't serve well to hang over a fire, you could use it to disinfect water with purification tablets. If you had to, you could probably use a method like stone boiling, and here it gives you a metal container in which to do that. Also, this would be an excellent pre-filter if you had to use it for that. If it'll strain coffee grinds out of your coffee, then it would definitely strain silt or dirt or debris out of your water if you needed to use it for a pre-filter. So I wouldn't choose to do that unless I really had to, but it could serve for that purpose. Also, being an empty container in your pack, it could be used to carry smaller items such as cooking items like spice or things like that. It could be used to carry water purification tablets, emergency kits, fishing kits, whatever. So this is a container and you can carry things in it in your pack so that it's not wasted space. It would also serve well if you were making like a tea or an infusion out of wild medicinals or wild edibles. This could definitely do that as well. So I look at this as definitely being a multifunctional item and worthwhile to carry in my kit, although its primary function is always going to be that perfect cup of coffee when I'm in camp. Anyway, I wanted to demonstrate this for you guys and just show it to you in case you weren't familiar with it. Let's brew up a perfect cup of coffee for this cold morning here in Ohio. Stick with me. So today I'm going to do things a little different and use this MSR Pocket Rocket stove so I can get a quick boil with my water. And this is a stove that I've been using for over 10 years and has served me very well. My container that I always carry with me in my pack is my Pathfinder 32-ounce water bottle and cup combo, which is always perfect for things like brewing up coffee. So I'm going to use that today to get my water on the boil. Alright, and we're going to let that sit there and start to boil. So while that water is getting ready to boil, I thought I'd give you a quick look at this French press. Again, the name is Espro. And if I open this up, it's just a plastic lid with a O-ring seal. And you just pull all of this assembly out. And then from there, it's just a metal bottle. But in this assembly, you have your press, which just screws into the filter, and it's a double filter system here. And again, that's sealed with an O-ring. So it just threads in like this. And here you have a locking double filter. And these are metal mesh screens, so they don't have to be replaced. And should be a long-lasting system here. You just clean it well after each use. Snap those two together. This threads back in, and that's it. Very simple system, easy to clean, easy to maintain. Now, to set this up for making coffee, I have my little coffee bag here, and then there I have two things. I have my cup, which I always use, you've seen many times, and I have a tin with some coffee in it. And you can make this coffee stronger or weaker depending on your preference, and I've found it. 3 of this wooden spoon is perfect for me. Hear that water boiling. I like my coffee just a little bit stronger. So I just add a little extra in. All right, at that point, all I need to do now is pour my water in, and I hear it's boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Shut my stove down. The nice thing about this Pathfinder cup is it has a pour spout. You can see that. The lid snaps on nice and tight. And now you just pour your water to fill up the French press. And there's a little line on the inside that's like the max fill line. That's right up to the line. Now I just take this whole assembly and set it in place. That'll help seal into heat, just like that. Now the hardest step in this entire process is this step right now, which is you have to wait approximately 5 minutes for your coffee to brew inside the container. That's the hardest part, waiting for your coffee. All right, so I've waited long enough, and at this point it's very simple. You just simply press this down. There's not a lot of effort involved in that. That's going to filter out all the coffee grinds and push them to the very bottom of this bottle. And now we're ready to fill up our cup. Now this is set up so that you can just simply sip from the bottle. You can put your lid back on and carry your coffee with you, and being in an insulated bottle, it'll keep it warm for quite some time. But for me personally, I prefer to just drink from my coffee cup when I'm around camp. So now that I have my cup full of coffee, I still have probably 3/4 of a cup in here. This would easily make 2 smaller cups of coffee if you had 2 people and you wanted to just make 1 cup apiece. This will easily do that. I could also easily go back and refill this with hot water and make another round of coffee within 5 minutes. So let's test out this coffee. So within about 12 minutes, I was indeed able to make the perfect cup of coffee. Cowboy coffee is always good to me, but with this French press, I think it's just a notch above. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little show and tell of the Espro French press to make that perfect cup of camp coffee. If you're interested in finding one of these, there's a link down below in the description box where you can purchase it. I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. I hope to be talking to you with another video again very soon. And until that next one, take care. God bless. It's good coffee. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see similar content, please subscribe to the Black Hat Bushcraft channel. Thank you for your time and interest, and I hope you'll come back soon. Take care.